الحمد لله الذي وصف الجنة ونعيمها وحذر من نار جهنم وخطرها صلى الله على نبينا محمد عبد الله ورسوله وسلم تسليما أما بعد قال الله تعالى يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش. Respected President, honorable guest, dearest students, brothers and sisters, wonderful my teachers and all audience. Today is a day great happiness for me. I am humbled that the Nobel chairman has selected me on the stage for discuss about the day of judgment. Before I go to my topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akash Sheikh. My father's name is Najul Sheikh. I am from Madrasatul Salafiyya, Islamic brothers and sisters. Whatever has a beginning also has an end, who has creation also has destruction. Allah Almighty created this huge world one day and will destroy it one day. On that day, the heavens will be broken into pieces, the mountain will crumble to pieces, and the earth will be turned upside down, and the earth will cease to exist. That day will be the last day. That day is called the day of resurrection, the day of retribution, the day of judgment. On this day of Qiyamah, Almighty Allah will resurrect all dead bodies from the graves, take account of all people's deeds. If someone does a good deed in this world, He will reward him. If someone does a bad deed, He will also reward him. On that day, Allah Almighty will judge. Do not do any injustice to anyone. A group after account in some enter paradise and some enter hell. Paradise is a place of internal happiness and peace. There will be various punishment and punishment and punishment, such as a very dangerous fire. It will be prepared there. Those who disbelieved in Allah, His messenger, and lived dishonest, life will be sent there. Life on earth is transitory, life of terror. Allah tests us through His commands and prohibition. Allah will bless him who obeys His word, and whoever disobeys Him will be punished. So each of us should follow the word of Allah and obey Him. At last, I pray to Allah, may Allah guide us to the right path and lead us to paradise. Amin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.